Hey guys, did you know that having competition within your course can actually improve your own course? By looking at what other courses are doing well, it can help you identify and improve certain areas in your own course and differentiate yourself from the competition. So, at the end of the day, you can also learn from their mistakes and avoid making the same ones to yourself. So, I wanted to give you some tips on how you can identify areas of improvement and differentiate yourself from the other course creators. Conduct market research, analyze your competition, research what they're offering and how you can improve it in your own course. Look for gaps in the market. When you research the market, you're able to hopefully find those gaps and use them in your own course. Another good thing is to look at courses that are doing well in your industry or in your niche, and look at their weaknesses, look at their strengths. Determine what areas you can improve upon and maybe what unique selling proposition that you can use in your own course. This will help you differentiate yourself from the other course creators or the competitors in that same niche. Conduct surveys or focus groups to determine and understand maybe what your target audience is looking for in a course. This will help you tailor your course to their needs, to their preferences, and ultimately helps you stand out in the crowd. It is critical to look at your own course and assess the strengths and weaknesses in it. This will obviously help you identify areas where you can improve or differentiate yourself and your course from the competitors. Focus on quality. Now, I do say this a lot in my videos, focusing on quality versus quantity. You want to ensure that you are providing value. You want to make sure that you're providing quality information and material to your audience so that they can learn, but it also delivers a great user experience as well. You want your course to be top notch. You want to retain customers. You want to, attract more customers. So making sure that you are providing quality, value, benefits, but make you stand out in your competition. So, and the last one I have is offering other, unique features that maybe as you're researching, that other courses do not provide. That could be personalized coaching. It could be interactive quizzes. It could be certain course material. It could be hands-on projects. There's certain things that you can offer that will set yourself apart from your competitors. If you're able to do that, go for it. So at the end of the day, having competition should be no big deal. It can help you improve. It can also help you differentiate yourself from your competitors. So take advantage of it. Now, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.